5 ways for a man to express his feelings and to show you a lot of love. Ladies, I understand. You met this guy and he's amazing. He could be the one. The only issue is that the same guy is not able to express his feeling, to reassure you, to express how much he loves you. So it's so heartbreaking because you love him, because he's amazing, because the relationship is great, but you're lacking these words, beautiful words, words of affirmation. And you want to know if there is a way to make him talk to you. The answer is there is no way. There is not one way. There is 5 ways to make him talk about his feelings and how much he loves you and how much he cares about you. And I will explain to you in this video how can you use these ways, these questions to really, really make this guy show you love. But before I start, I want to talk to you about my personal experience as a man, because when we are a child, people will tell us it's not a good idea to show emotions. It's not a good idea to show feelings, to show pain, because if you show emotions, if you're vulnerable, it's a sign of weakness. And this is what we hear. This is what we take into consideration. And this is what makes us so difficult to talk about our feelings when we are in a relationship. So even for me, as a relationship coach, I had to learn how to express my feelings, how to use words of affirmation, how to give value to my wife using words. It was not natural, and it was certainly not easy. And you know, I study a lot. I love neuroscience. I will look at every scientific case. And there is 2 situations I wanted to talk to you about. The number one was a study in 1989 from Blair and Blair Wilson. Basically, the study says that men don't know how to communicate their feelings like women. So for example, it will be easier or better for you. You're just better than us expressing your feelings. This has been proven in 1989. There is another one in 2011 from Hoover saying that men, they will basically shut down their feeling. The study says that men will resist to their feelings. So that's why I'm telling you, it's not easy, it's not natural, it's not us to express our feelings, but it has nothing to do against you. We are not against you. We are not here to make you feel sad. And men, we are just not good when it comes to communication. On the other part, I want to make sure that you also hear me say, but when a man is in love, when a man is serious, when a man wants to commit, he will do everything to make you feel secure. He will do everything to make you realize that you deserve more. So that's why I'm doing this video today, to show you that there is 5 ways, 5 questions to make him talk to you about his feelings. And if he's serious, he will do it. If he doesn't care, don't find excuses. It's not because he's an avoidant or because he just got separated. No, we don't care. He needs to work on himself to be the best man possible. Because I've seen so many women, but you know, he's an avoidant. This is the most excuses that I've seen in my life. But he's an avoidant. He cannot give me love. He's an avoidant. He cannot text me when he's late. But he's an avoidant. So he cannot give me news for a week. No, he's not an avoidant. He's an asshole. That's not the same. So in this video, I will share with you 5 questions to make him talk about his feelings. 5 ways to really connect with you. Question number 1. What do you think of me? Question number 1 is, what do you think of me? Not of the relationship. We want him to describe what does he think of you. And this should be able to create a link between this question and the feeling. So usually men, they love to answer this question because it's easier. If you ask them, what do you feel about me? What do you feel for me? It won't be that easy. But what do you think about me? It's easier. Okay? Question number 1. Question number 2, if the first one is so difficult, doesn't know how to respond, then we will be specific. What is my main quality? What is my main quality? If he can answer this question, it will give you value. So it creates an habit for him. Okay, so I can give her compliments. She won't take me for granted. Or also she won't think that I am weak. No, I can talk about what I appreciate in her. So question number 1, what do you think of me? Question number 2, what is my main quality? And you can just combine these two. Question number 3, what is for you the best memory of our relationship? I love this one because when you will ask a man, what is your best memory about us? He will think and then he will be able to express what did he love. And so when he thinks about what did he love, he will be able to express his feelings much easier for you. It will be much easier. It will make him feel that it's normal to communicate. And so you will be happy to receive his feelings as well. So question number 3, what was for you the best memory in our relationship? Question number 4, and I love this one. I want to ask you a question. How do you express your love? How do you express your love? I was coaching an amazing woman who told me, Alex, I love this man. It's such a great person. I mean, everything is amazing, but is not making me feel secure. He won't tell me that he misses me. He won't tell me that he loves me. And I need someone that gives me words of affirmation. So she even came back to me after our session and said, Alex, I was willing to break up with him. But I asked him this question, how do you express your love? It thanks me because nobody asked him the question before. Good point. He then told me the way he was loving me, the way he was showing appreciation to me. And you know what, Alex? I didn't realize how much energy he was putting in a relationship. So I want to thank you because you saved the relationship and because you made me open my eyes. One thing that I told her and I want to tell you right now, when a man will tell you what does he do to express his love, it's basically what he wants to receive as well. Okay? So when you ask him, okay, so tell me, how do you express your love? This is what he wants to receive. And you can do it in the dating process as well. You don't have to be in a relationship. Okay? Last question. This is not a question you should use with an avoidant, with someone that is shy or introvert. Okay? The last question, it's something a little bit tricky. You need to do it when you're sure that this guy will like the question. It's basically, if we were not together, what will you change in your life? The reason why we ask this question is we can feel his love, we can feel his commitment, we can feel his actions when he tells you how his life will be different if you were not together. In the meantime, it helps him realizing the reason why he is with you, the reason why he wants to build with you, and the reason why he cares about you. So it's an amazing tool to make him talk to you, only if you feel he will respond and don't put too much pressure on himself. So I want you right now to ask yourself, what is the first question you will use? Then give it some time. Don't ask all the questions the same day. That would be way too much. You will make him feel overwhelmed. Remember, scientific studies are just showing that men will resist their feelings. So it takes some time and habits to not just to be able to share the emotions. Okay? If you want to go further, I am very proud of a new video that I have made on neuroscience and male psychology. So it's a video that you won't find on YouTube on my website. It's only for the community. You will have to enter your email, but this video is gold. You will love it. So click in the description below if you want to see it. Also, if you want to go further, you can just come on my website, FrenchRelationshipExpert.com. There is Coach Andres and myself. We are professional. We just want to help you, assist you, and we are not here to entertain you. Every question that I'm telling you in this video has been tested hundreds of times. So I know it's working, and I know you can use it. If you want to make it work, if you want to change your love life, I would be more than happy to be your love coach. So the link is in the description box as well. Remember to smash the like button and subscribe, because I want you in this channel, in this community, and I want you to get results. I will see you soon, ladies. You have 5 questions now. He will express his love. Bye, ladies.